Come on! Wait a minute! Oh my God!
Feels good to be back. And it feels really weird to be talking to a camera because I haven't done it for such a long time. Stop looking at me weird! A lot's changed since I last made a YouTube video. I dyed my hair, it's dark, all dark now. And this is my new best friend, Shandy. She's a burper in training. But I know you're waiting for this. And now I have side ponytails, and my room's been completely changed around. And look at my poster. I made that. Woo! Shandy's here. I don't know if I'm interesting anymore. I haven't made a YouTube video in such a long time. Oh my God. Every time I burp, I say a sentence and I burp again. Shandy, let's hear you burp. She's got skills going on. They're gonna happen pretty soon. Oh, I forgot how much fun this is, huh? Oh my God, look at this duck that I painted. That's glitter on its tail. It's definitely the most badass duck I've ever seen. And the picture that I drew, pretty friggin' badass! I don't know what to do. Shandy, what should I do? I don't know how to make videos anymore. Hold my camera. That's all you have to do. That's all I gotta do to get views here. I did this burp once at my friend's house. I don't even know how I did it, but it was literally like 20 seconds long. And I sat there, I was like... And I kept going, and going, and I was losing my mind. I should probably stop yelling.
You should hear her in her sleep. It's a non-stop thing.
What?
Burping. You just burp and you
My sleep?
Yeah.
What?
Just kidding.
Oh.
Dude, it'd be awesome if we taught Dirt Dog to burp.
Where is that little fat cat? There's Birdie. Oh.
Hey, Birdie.
Under the bathtub she goes.
Hey, Birdie.
Doesn't even care. Doesn't phase her. Oh, I totally left a whole bunch of hair out of my ponytail.
Ew.
Gross. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh yeah, my cuckoo clock. It's the best thing ever.
Coos.
Yeah, look closely at the little birdie that comes out of it. See him coming in and out? Cute. Oh shit. Oh, okay, go for it. Got a new floor. It's pretty cool. Oh God, I scared Skittles. Remember that kitten we had earlier? She's grown up now. And she's scared to shit. And there's bears. 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 It's a friggin' sweet picture. Oh well. Oh. Look how tall I am. Look at me. I'm tall. Woo. Oh, my boyfriend bought me a camera. Look at that bad boy. Canon Rebel EOS. They're all monstrous. I think I've gotten better. Oh, and I got a phone. My phone. Finally. I love it. My boyfriend looks so perfect. Let's see how perfect he looks with the burp going on in the background. Wait. That's Ricky. I'm out of breath. Shandy, take over for a little bit. I'm not good with cameras. Burp! Okay, wait, open my mouth like you're burping when I burp, okay? Wait.